I told Scott no donuts, but he brings them anyway. I don't want to have any semblance of hospitality. That's not what I do. Anyway, open house. I don't know, we have 100 people here, something like that. People come in and out all day. We're going to just sort of walk around, just capture the essence of it. And we're doing some dry ice cleaning stuff. That's really the only demo. Really, the whole concept here is just to invite people into my house and walk around and see what I've been doing all these years, and then of course show the progress of the yarn building, which has come quite a bit since what it looked like Friday morning. So putting a little pressure on contractors is always a good thing. So anyway, follow us around for the day, and hope you enjoy it.
Hey guys, we're here at the OG Open House. It's a pretty well attended event. If you didn't come, sorry. Next time, you better come. Dry ice and donuts today. Really excited to show you what we're doing here, and the whole OG thing is just, it's awesome.
Wow, it's awesome to see it in person and how bright it gets too. That's amazing.
Oh no. Oh yeah.
Well, you know,
That's it.
that's how life goes, right? That's what you get for loaning a vehicle from somebody, right? Radiator hose. Radiator hose.
Oh, radiator?
We can do that. So if we just put a nipple on here and plug in, just put on a high flow. What's Matt call that? The douchey before?
That's the douche 50-50 there, Scott. We don't do douche 50-50.
We don't do 50-50 here.
What'd you get, Perry? Got some towels?
Yeah,
Perry's loading up.
that's just for my wife. I'm gonna wash her car.
There you go.
Very rich now.
That's right. That's all Matt's money right there. See how quick he comes back.
Oh, I just did my shoes. Give me some dirty shoes. You got dirty shoes.
Get it that white.
All right, put them on the ground.
There you go. Some fresh kicks.